It's old, ugly, and it's been on the chopping block for over 2 decades. Yet it's still flying combat missions today. The A-10 Warthog, America's flying tank, just refuses to die. Why? Because nothing else can do what it does. The A-10 Thunderbolt II, affectionately known as the Warthog, was designed in the 1970s to do one thing: obliterate tanks. Cold War doctrine feared massive Soviet armored columns flooding through Europe. The US needed something that could fly low, take a beating, and destroy armor with pinpoint firepower. That's where the Warthog came in. It wasn't fast. It wasn't stealthy. But it carried the most terrifying weapon ever mounted on an aircraft, the Ju-8 Avenger. A 7-barrel, 30mm cannon that spits depleted uranium at 3,900 rounds per minute. What makes the A-10 special isn't just its gun. It's that the whole aircraft is designed around surviving in the worst conditions imaginable. Twin engines spaced apart to avoid total failure. A titanium bathtub that protects the pilot from ground fire. Redundant systems that let it fly home even with one engine, no hydraulics, and half a wing. In short, it's ugly for a reason. The A-10 was built to take hits and keep fighting. That's what ground troops love about it. Despite its cult following, the A-10 has been under constant threat from the U.S. Air Force brass. Why? Because it's old, slow, and doesn't fit into the high-tech stealth-first doctrine. The F-35 was supposed to replace it. But here's the problem. The F-35 can't loiter over battlefields for hours, doesn't carry a gun like the A-10s, and costs millions more per flight hour. And whenever retirement comes up, Congress pushes back, often after hearing from infantry who say there's no better close air support than the Warthog. Even in 2025, the A-10 is still flying missions. From Iraq and Afghanistan to recent deployments in Eastern Europe, it's providing support that drones and jets just can't match. The Air Force has finally started phasing it out, but progress is slow, and there's a reason. There's still no true replacement. Until there is, the Warthog isn't going anywhere. So why won't the A-10 die? Because it works. Because it's loved. And because sometimes you don't need stealth or speed, you just need a flying tank with a giant gun. What do you think? Should the A-10 be retired? Or should it keep flying until it can't anymore? Backhand index pointing right, like, comment, and subscribe for more.